Good morning, everyone. Fat Cat Productions here. It is the morning of October 3rd, and I am coming to you here in Southern California. I'm going to take the mask on for just a little bit because we are in Tustin, California, right by Irvine, not too far from Santa Ana, not too far from Anaheim, because this is the next newest spot in terms of food halls. Let me show you. We are in mess hall. This mess hall is, they planned it, you can see right here. I I can't really tell. It could be a lot of office buildings. There might be. I think this whole section here is office buildings. Um, they also planned a lot of housing. Probably 1-2 bedroom apartments, maybe some condos. But we here are gonna check out right when they open. Uh, this place is called, again, it hasn't gotten a lot of attention because we are in 2020 COVID year, so a lot of plans have kind of been scrapped. But I actually came here with a coworker not too long ago, about 11 months ago. We came here, and he had heard first. He had heard about this place first, and I thought I'd give it a try. I can still see some empty spaces here. Um, I can't exactly tell what they have in mind for it, but you know, this is very close to where I am, and I figured, hey, let's take a quick tour of this area. Hopefully, I like to, if anyone's watching this and they're in this area, definitely consider coming by, check out some of these small businesses. And that's a nice little logo of it, mess hall. All right. Now, the way I understand it, this place, I purposely came here. It's a little bit early. This place opens at 11. If you can imagine, this place is actually known for. Uh, this is the intention is to get the lunch crowd essentially. So they open at 11. They get the lunch crowd. Uh, the way these are designed, because we're close to a lot of local businesses, the intention is to get the office worker crowd come here for lunch. Yeah, check this out. You got a little bit of a ping pong table. Nice little setup here. Nice outdoor seating, and check out all this open space. Yeah, you don't usually get this type of open space Orange County and Los Angeles. So the developers really had big plans for this place, and in 2021, 2022, we really like to see, yeah, yeah, right there, courtesy of Flight Tustin. So thank you, Lincoln Property Company, for such an investment in this area. But yeah, that is my little tour of how to explore another food hall. So I have another video that I completed not too long ago, last month actually. It is about Stanton, California. There's a place called Rodeo 39 Market. Very, they these developers, they've kind of gotten the formula. Basically, you get a nice little space, nice open area, lots of open seating, and you invite some of the best. Essentially, they're like food. They're like food trucks. Get the most popular food trucks, get the most popular food, get a nice bar, and get everyone concentrated in one food hall, right? So, a place that is super popular around here is the Anaheim Packing House. So lots of, probably 2 dozen really local eateries just in that one area. And there's food, there's drinks, there's a little bit of everything. Right here, this is kind of a smaller concept. You can see there's about 8 restaurants that I can count, one coffee house, the Lost Bean. Again, I'm gonna put the description down in the bottom there. And it's a nice little spot, perfect for Orange County. If you're in the area and you want to support local business, I definitely give this a recommendation. There's definitely more than a couple places. In fact, I like to try most of those places. And yeah, it's not catered for the weekends, so in that regards, it's not going to be similar to the place in downtown Los Angeles. That place is usually catered for a little bit more on the weekends, where you have to wait an hour to get brunch. Grand Central Market, I believe is what they called. But if you're looking for a place for lunch, and right now in this particular time, mess hall, Tustin, mess hall flight pan. So I'm gonna have all the descriptions below. Check out the other places. Check out what you're tell me which restaurants. Tell me about the history. Are they from food trucks? Are they from other well-known chefs? Yeah, I like to know. Please comment below. Like and subscribe, please. I'm trying to launch this channel. And yeah, check out my other video on Rodeo 39, Stanton, California. All right, Fat Cat Productions, Louis signing off. Everyone have a good one.